we're out here, CRX meet, I think first one of the year. I had to come check out this car, man. The wheels, oh my goodness, that is like perfect freaking fitment right there. Oh my goodness. Unfortunately, not a lot of people showed up today, and one car left when I showed up, so we don't got a lot of people out here, just a bunch of the homies. And you know, I brought the KRX out this morning. I just decided to just rinse it down. Got another blade silver. This one though, guys, check this out. It's got a J series in it, and not only is it J series, but it's freaking automatic on top of that. And you guys got this from the dude on YouTube,
yeah,
right? So it's crazy because I've actually been watching this guy's build, but I've never seen the car until now. Look at this, automatic, dude. Vertical doors, bring back some good old nostalgic memory right here. This thing is pretty sick. It drives well.
Yeah.
It's fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
It's fast. For being automatic, it's fast, but you know, when you put a V6 in a goddamn CRX, it's gonna fly. It better fly, because if it doesn't fly, you better return it. Chad decided that we all should go get some lunch, so we're about to roll out to Half Moon Bay, which is about 40-minute drive from us, and we got a fair amount of cars, but ready for this drive though. We need to see you back out next month, man. Feels like some Jurassic World stuff right here. Pretty cool. Oh, it's nice and breezy out here. We came here last time, right? On the other side?
Yeah, we went to Hot Mart.
On the other side over there?
Brewing.
Yeah. I knew the road looked a little familiar. Chad brought us over here to Barbara's Fish Trap, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kind of want to order everything on the menu. Oh man.
Homa? Or what, Mazda?
It looks like it. One more time, one more time. All right, I already ate my fish and chips, and I got the calamari to go home. I didn't really show you guys the food. It was pretty fire, dude. Right now we're about to split, but I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the cars over, flip them backwards, and we're gonna take some shots. There were a couple cars that already left, so get some photos and stuff before we all split. I think 3 of us are gonna drive together, then everybody else is splitting different directions. Another blade silver CRX right here, all stock. Got 3 black CRX, Chad, 2 blade silver, 1 red, the blue one left, Torino red one left. Today was literally supposed to be just a meet, and then we decided to go get some lunch, so we took a quick little detour to get some food out here in Half Moon Bay. It's nice to go on a cruise with the boys every once in a blue moon whenever Chad decides he wants to throw a car meet, but still got a decent amount of cars. good to see the friends and the homies. Made some new friends as well too, so that was pretty cool. Guys, we are back at the pad, and I know today started off super randomly out of the blues. Now, I know that today was the NorcalCrxOwners meet, not a cruise. It was a meet, and I knew I should have slept early. But last night when I closed the garage, got booted off Instagram Live, and the homies were up, and we decided to play Warzone into the early morning. So by the time I went to sleep, I already knew I probably wasn't going to wake up, so I set like 4 alarm clock, and I knew I snoozed all of them. And by the time I got up, it was like 9 o'clock, and I originally thought the meet started at 9. So me waking up at 9, having to get dressed, wash the car, and drive 40 minutes to the meet, I was probably already like, probably would have been halfway through the meet already. And I was like, man, I don't want to roll out of bed because I'm already late, like I usually am. And then I checked Facebook events, and it actually starts at 10. So I was like, okay, well, I got an hour to get there. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna roll out of bed. I'm gonna get myself ready. I'm gonna wash the car. And then I went to go get gas and headed to San Mateo, which is, you know, early in the morning. It was like 35, 40 minutes. So I get there, the homies were still hanging out. You know, there was a handful of them, a lot of familiar faces. Met a couple new faces, which was cool. And we were just kind of hanging out, you know, and I asked Chad, and I was like, what is there to eat around here? And he was like, oh, I know a spot, Half Moon Bay. Half Moon Bay, that's a whole nother mission. But I was up for it. Everybody actually was up for it. So all of us, we gathered up and we drove to Half Moon Bay, which was like 40 minutes with slight traffic through the mountain. We ended up at Barbara's Fish Trap, and dude, pretty bomb. Pretty bomb. If you guys are around like SF or Bay Area or Half Moon Bay, try this place out. And I don't really get fish and chip around here, and when I get the chance to, like Monterey or Santa Cruz or Frisco or Half Moon Bay, I'm always gonna get fish and chips. So I got fish and chips, I got calamari, which I didn't eat because that was more sort of take home. And we actually hung out right there at the picnic area. We chopped it up, got to, you know, chop the shit up. And so when it was time to depart, we ended up deciding to take the long way home. It was me, Enrique, Fred was there. I don't know if you guys saw Fred, CRX, he was there as well. And I forgot the other guy's name. He has the other Blade Silver, and we all ended up taking the long way home, which was down Highway 1. And then we took Highway 17. I was falling asleep, not gonna lie to you guys, man. Long straight road of beaches, water. And when we got to Highway 17, we me and Enrique kind of got on it a little bit. It wasn't as much traffic, so we were just kind of bobbing and weaving safely at 15 miles an hour. And that definitely woke me up. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really needed that. I really needed that. You know, it's a little different from the usual things I do here every day in the garage. So to be able to drive the KRX for, it was 119 miles. I reset it to 0. 119 miles we drove today, round trip, and it was fun. It was fun. So relaxing that I almost fell asleep. But I've been needing this for a while. I've missed the last couple of ham meets. I've missed a couple of events, and I've missed a couple of track days. Today is Laguna Seca. The homies were out there at Laguna Seca today. This drive with the homies today was, I needed it so bad. Glad to have roll out of bed to attend. Thank you, Chad, for hosting this, and hopefully we'll get something going again later this year as well too. I think Chad is trying to throw at least 2 more before the year ends, so I'm gonna give you guys this heads up now. There is gonna be 2 more NorcalCrxOwners meet / cruise by the time this year is over, so I hope you guys are gonna join us if you guys are up here in the North Cal. I don't know why I said North Cal, but if you guys are in Northern California with CRXs, man, you guys are more than welcome to join us. But we're back at the pad, and you know, this back half coming home, I really need the KRX retuned. The drivability of that car is so bad with stop and go traffic. I could probably lose weight because my belly was like no diddy, like it was doing its own shake weight because of the decel and acceleration, how harsh it is. But aside from that, it drives well. It just needs better drivability. And you know, I say this all the time, every time I take you guys on a ride in the KRX. I actually forgot the tripod and I didn't have the suction cup, so I was biting on the GoPro again. But hopefully give you guys some nice views of the beach, because that was refreshing to see. The weather wasn't beating down on us either, and it was like really breezy out there, so that was definitely, again, refreshing. But as far as today goes, I don't think I have anything planned today. I still got to go buy the rest of the suspension stuff to get that all put in. Last video, we got the car finally turned over. A couple of hiccups I still got to deal with, but turns on for the most part. And I think I'm going to spend the rest of my day to clean out my garage and all the trash and stuff that I've made the last couple of days here in the garage, getting this car to turn on. So I'm gonna cap out this video right here, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video with the NorcalCrx homies, man, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for pretty much the reassembly, because I need to get this car put together to be on time with my timeline to get this car ready for Race Wars, which is like 2.5 weeks out from today. So if you guys want to stick around and see more progression on the 88 sedan, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, guys, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.